This video, I'm going to show you how you can add your profile picture on EA Sports platform on your computer. So if you already have this program and you wish to do it from here, this will be somehow a long way. First, go ahead and click on your profile icon once you're logged in, then head to My Profile. From here, go ahead and click on Edit Profile. And from this, go ahead and click on Edit Avatar. Now, if you click on Edit Avatar, this will go ahead and open your web page account. This is why I told you this will take you a long way. And from the web page, go ahead and log in with your account. If you're not yet logged in, I've already logged in mine here. Now, to change my profile image, you should see your current profile image here. To change, go ahead and click on this edit icon, and this will give you an option either to upload an image or choose from gallery if you already have one. So I'll go ahead and click on upload image, and here I'll have to browse my image. So I'll click on browse files. I'll be taken to my computer. Go to the location of your profile image that you have and click on open to upload it. So go ahead and resize it to your desired size. So I'll wish it to be full, and finally click on save to change your profile image. Within some few seconds, your profile image will be uploaded. However, if it is taking too long, then just refresh your page by clicking on this refresh button here, and now you should be able to see your profile picture both here and here now. So that's how you can add a profile picture on EA Sports account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.